Welcome to my review channel, Softspot Reviews. Today we talk about Mailermonster.
Say goodbye to expensive third-party autoresponders. Mailermonster is here to revolutionize your email marketing. Say goodbye to outdated third-party autoresponders that charge you hundreds of dollars every month. With Mailermonster, you get a first-to-market AI-powered autoresponder that generates unlimited content to send. Unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no monthly fee. Mailermonster offers 0 monthly fees, a 100% dedicated IP, and a 99.8% delivery rate, ensuring higher inboxing. Watch how Mailermonster works and see the benefits for yourself. Mailermonster allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited customers. It comes with a 100% done-for-you DMARC, DKIM, and SPF integrated autoresponder to get higher inboxing and clicks. Enjoy instant opt-in with no need for verification, a 99.9% delivery rate, and higher open rates. Use high-converting email templates and automate your email follow-up with advanced technology. Mailermonster provides beautiful email templates for a huge ROI with no monthly fees and no restrictions. Mailermonster includes a full commercial license, allowing you to sell lead generation services to clients. It comes with a 100% done-for-you SMTP server, so you pay once and use it forever. Enjoy world-class customer support and an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. The first 150 action takers get instant access to Mailermonster's done-for-you email templates worth $1,997. Get Mailermonster at a low one-time price, usually $97 monthly, but today pay just $11.95. This offer will expire soon, so act fast. Using Mailermonster is simple. Purchase and log in, upload your list, or capture leads using the Gigz software, and enjoy the profit-making campaign right away. Get rid of money-sucking autoresponder services that ban you without reason. Take control of your email marketing efforts today with Mailermonster. Mailermonster increased my income by 30% compared to third-party email providers. Get Mailermonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly, but today pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. Mailermonster is an all-in-one cloud-based email marketing software that includes everything you need to create, save money, and avoid account bans for a lifetime. Mailermonster offers a built-in SMTP server, AI-powered email application, unlimited lead generation with smart technology, free unlimited email sending with SMTP, and powerful email marketing automation with no recurring fees. Manage lists and subscribers easily, choose flexible opt-in options, and enjoy cloud-based accessibility. Automate welcome and unsubscribe emails, segment lists, and track email delivery with detailed reporting. Mailermonster's advanced email template builder and smart automation features make it easy to create stunning emails and automate your email marketing system. Design and customize subscription forms, rapidly build your email list, and enjoy a beginner-friendly interface. Get Mailermonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly. But today, pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. Mailermonster is the best email marketing solution for all marketers. Email marketing offers a huge ROI, and you need an email list to make consistent income every month. If you're not using email marketing, you're missing out on something important in your business. Get Mailermonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly, but today, pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. Avoid the ridiculous monthly fees from third-party providers. Mailermonster provides an easy-to-use autoresponder with incredible performance and 0 monthly fees. Enjoy awesome deliverability rates, no downtime, and no monthly fees with Mailermonster. MailerMonster is an all-in-one email marketing solution that you need to create, send, track, and profit from email marketing. No need to pay any monthly fees or expensive recurring payments. No need to waste time optimizing campaigns for better deliverability. MailerMonster is designed to provide the best results for you. Get MailerMonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly. But today, pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. MailerMonster is the best tool in the marketplace for email marketing. Your financial freedom and online success start here with MailerMonster. Enjoy your freedom, start getting daily income online, and achieve financial stability and time freedom. Bonus offers to scale your income include modern email marketing and segmentation strategy for creating email funnels, email list guru, email marketing for newbie marketers, writing, engaging emails, and automated email marketing funnel. Get MailerMonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly, but today, pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. MailerMonster offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are unable to access the software, and we fail to help you resolve the issue. We'll give you 100% of your money back if you ask, within 30 days of your purchase. Get MailerMonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly, but today pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. MailerMonster is a cloud-based software, so you can use it anywhere. It is beginner-friendly and requires no specific skills to get started. There are no monthly fees and you get 24/7 support. Get MailerMonster at a low one-time price of $297 monthly, but today, pay just $12 once and use it forever. This offer is expiring soon, so hurry. MailerMonster is the best email marketing solution for all marketers. Get MailerMonster today and start seeing the results in your life. Enjoy your freedom, start getting daily income online, and achieve financial stability and time freedom. Thanks for watching.